going to make my grilled beef sandwich along with some other veggies right here on the side. And of course, I'm going to use this as my dressing. Mayonnaise, ketchup, and of course, quick melt cheese. Quick melt cheese, okay, that's the best one that I always use each time that I do have my my food that needs some cheese, okay, because it melts easily, unlike the other cheese that I use sometimes. They don't melt each time that I wanted to put in the microwave. Alright, I got everything ready right here, and of course this is my beef. I already put some ingredients right there, and later on I'm going to put the vinegar, soy sauce, and some wine. And of course I am going to brown also the ginger, garlic, and onions. And of course I got this boiled potato. I'm going to grill those as well, along with this grill. Everything's gonna be grilled, and these are my dressing. All right, I'm going to let it soak for probably just a few minutes, and then after that I'm gonna start grilling. Okay, so that's with the red wine, soy sauce, ginger, onions, garlic, and of course some chili, hot chili, and of course what else did I put? Some vinegar, yeah. And of course, red wine is always great for grilling, yes. Okay, it's been marinated for a little time. Well, I don't have 1 hour because I'm so hungry right now. Lesser than an hour at least, you know. But it's been marinated. I'm sure that it's going to help, okay. It gives some flavor once marinated. Of course, I have to use some margarine or butter, okay? But right now, I do have margarine, so that's what I'm going to use for my grilling instead of oil. Alright, so I am using butter right now. So right now, I'm going to put the marinated beef steak first, and then the rest will follow as well. Alright, grilling. Okay, until it gets done. And then I'm going to put also the veggies on the side, grill them as well. I just put all the veggies, okay, so they're being grilled as well, along with the beef steak. So I have to wait till they are cooked. I have to cover it while cooking para maganda yung pagkaluto ng mga iba't ibang mga meat, and of course veggies, as you say, okay? Iba't ibang veggies, and of course with the beef steak. So it will cook just gradually, alright? Alright, I have to flip it over on the other side so it'll be cooked as well. And the veggies are already cooked, I think. Alright, it'll take a little more seconds, I guess. Alright, I guess it's cooked now. It has to be medium rare, so it's better, okay? Because anyway, I've sliced the beef thinly, so it's cooked really easily. Alright, so now it's ready. Alright, now it's ready. Okay, so it's time to get going and make my steak sandwich, beef steak sandwich. Since the Pandesal guy always comes here every day, every morning, okay, so I always buy Pandesal bread from him. So this is what I'm going to use for my for my beef steak sandwich. Okay, so I have to cut them in halves right now. I've already cut my pandesal in halves. So right now I'm going to put everything on top, and then the cheese will be melted through my microwave. Okay. These are now my grilled veggies, potatoes, squash, cabbage, what else, and other stuff. Okay, so I'm going to put this on top of these, okay, and then after that, I'm going to put some cheese and other stuff and then melt it. There you go. I just put some veggies right on top of 4 pandesal buns, and of course later on I'm going to put all this on top. Okay, so I have to finish this first. Right now I'm going to put all the grilled beef steak right now on top. Wow, it looks great. Okay, that's not finished yet. Okay, so I just had to put some veggies, grilled veggies, and now the grilled beef steak, and of course next would be the mayonnaise and the other stuff. Okay, and besides the mayonnaise, I'm also putting some ketchup, alright, spicy ketchup along with it. And then right now the next would be, the best would be the quick melt cheese, and I'm going to melt them. Wow, even without the cheese yet, okay, they really look good already. Okay, so they'll be ready to be eaten. But for me, I'd rather to have some cheese on top and melted. And of course right now I'm going to melt them inside the microwave. There you go. I just put some quick melt cheese right on top. Do not use any Eden cheese because Eden cheese, they don't melt really well, okay? Masyadong mahirap matunaw. So it's much better to use quick melt. There you go. Now I'm going to put them inside the microwave. Alright, they're now ready to be melted right here inside my microwave. Okay, so let's go. Alright, right now it's being melted. Okay. Ang sarap po. Mas masarap pa kaysa yung mga burger dyan. Looks like a burger but it's actually a beef steak sandwich. Alright. And of course using my pandesal buns. Wow, really looks good. They're now melted. And then of course I'm going to put them on my my tray, my meal tray, okay? And I'm going to have some mangoes and pineapple also on the side, and that's going to be my dessert. All right, wow, they really look good. That's yummy. Okay, so now I got it perfectly. This is the best sandwich that anyone could ever have. Okay, it's much better if I do have my own improvised sandwiches with the cheese on top melted, and of course the rest, everything is just so perfect. So right now I'm going to put the rest of the bun right on top of them, okay, so they would look really good. All right. Looks like lasagna. I had to put more toppings before I'm going to put the buns on top. Okay, so I had to put more of those toppings right there. Some carrots, some onions, some hot chili pepper. There you go. I finally got my sandwich. Okay, my grilled beef steak sandwich. Okay, you cannot see anymore because I already put the bun right on top of them. All right here, perfect. There you go. My meal is ready. This is also good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay, so this is my grilled beef steak sandwich along with some other fruit on the side for my dessert. I have to eat like I'm really so hungry. Okay, da. I have to eat the vegetables as well. Ganun magmukbang, kailangan matakaw. You really have to eat like you're so greedy. You have to eat like as if you've never eaten for how many days or for how many years. Apple, pineapple. And of course, mango. It's supposed to be my dessert, but it's nice to eat it along with my food, along with my steak. Okay? Ang pagkain ng sandwich, usually thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.